Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you where point of sales how to transfer money to bank. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So in order to transfer money to bank, what you need to do first is link a bank account by simply heading over and opening up your Square app, and then go to your dashboard, then simply click on account and settings and then select bank accounts. Now once you add a bank account, what you need to do is simply tap on the menu option or more option on the bottom right, and once you're inside here, what you need to do is select balances. Then once you select balances, inside balance you'll find an option that says transfer out or transfer to bank. Simply choose the standard option, which is available in 1 to 2 business days, and instant transfer, which is usually within minutes. Then lastly, confirm the amount and select your linked bank account, and then simply tap on confirm transfer to begin the transfer process. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.